Earthquake is making my female submit. See if I can get him in the act again. He doesn't want her to move. He's asserting his dominance again. And that's, yeah. She came out here thinking that she was going to run the show. Earthquake said that's negative. She's an older female. She's close to a year. And that's my dog, who's a pack leader also. Now the female German Shepherd's going to take off because she don't want to be beat up anymore by my Quakers. Oh, Quake, what happened? Did she bother you, baby? Did she bother you? Good boy there, Fifi. That's my dog asserting his dominance. What's up, Fifi? Fifi! Hey, baby. What are you doing?